Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase your font size inside your Netflix app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if I go ahead and open up Netflix, you'll be able to see what the font size is currently set at. So I'm just going to wait for this to load. So as you can see, the font size is set to this. Now in order to make it larger, we need to head back and click into settings. From settings, you want to scroll down and click into display. Inside display, navigate lower and look for font size and style. Tap into it. And at the bottom of font size and style, we've got a slider down below. So if we move it all the way to the left, it will make it smaller. All the way to the right will increase the font size. So I'm going to keep it near the end on the right hand side to increase the font size. Now if I go ahead and go into Netflix again, you can see Netflix's font size is a lot larger and easier to read. So you can play around with that slider to adjust it to however large you want your font size to be.